In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your junk mail in Gmail. Now, this may seem like a straightforward task, but it's essential to know exactly how to access your spam folder to ensure you're not missing any important messages that might have been miscategorized. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account credentials. Assuming you're already logged in, you'll see your inbox displayed front and center. Now, the next thing to do is to locate your sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar houses a variety of different tabs like Primary, Social, Promotions, and more. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You may not immediately see your spam folder listed there. That's because Gmail, by default, tends to hide it under the More section to keep your interface clean and organized. So look for the More button, which is typically found towards the bottom of that sidebar, and click on it. As soon as you do this, additional menu options will appear. Scroll down this newly expanded list of folders, and you should see one labeled Spam. The Spam folder is where Gmail automatically moves any emails it suspects to be junk or potentially spammy. Click on this folder, and you'll be able to view your spam messages. An important note to keep in mind is that Gmail automatically deletes emails in the spam folder after 30 days. So, it's a good idea to check this folder regularly to prevent losing any important emails that may have slipped through the spam filter. While reviewing your messages, if you find any emails that are not spam, you can select them and click on the Not Spam button. This action will move the selected emails back to your inbox or the appropriate folder and also inform Gmail that these specific messages are not spam. Conversely, if you encounter an email in your inbox that you believe should be spam, you can mark it as such. Simply select the email and use the Report Spam button, usually represented with an exclamation mark icon. This helps improve Gmail's filter and keeps your inbox cleaner in the future. By taking these steps, you can better manage your emails and ensure that no important communications are missed. With Gmail's efficient spam detection and your vigilant checking of the spam folder, your inbox will surely remain organized and up to date. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.